Get noticed in this 2008 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, power mirrors. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.